Most, well, or at least some of you have probably come across two different color models, CMYK and RGB.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
I really don't want to bore you with all the technicalities here. I just want to point out that for logo design, and in fact all print design, you should stick to CMYK color model. CMYK stands for cyan, magenta, yellow, and key, which actually is the black color. The colors in this model are created through combinations of these four primary colors given in percentages. For example, cyan is simply 100% cyan and 0% of magenta, yellow, and black. Magenta is 100% magenta and 0% of cyan, yellow, and black, and so on. Increasing the values of each of the colors will result in a different final color. So, just as an example, you can see that when I played around with the CMYK values, I got different colors. With 100% cyan and different values for other colors, as a result, I got this greenish color. With 100% magenta and different values for other colors, as a result, I got this purple color. Quick but important note here, guys. As default black color, Illustrator sets 100% of black and 0% of other colors, as you can see right here. But it can sometimes be not as black as you would expect, so to speak. So it's a good practice to add 50% of cyan, magenta, and yellow to 100% black, just like I did here. But you must not go over 300% in total, because that would cause printing problems and most probably be rejected by the printer. And to wrap it up, RGB stands for red, green, and blue, and is used in, generally speaking, web graphics. Color variations come from combining these three colors. So, as a thing to remember here is to use CMYK color model in print graphics and RGB in web graphics.